Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is Dhruvi here, and if you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe if you like what you see so far. And that's all. Without wasting time, we'll go to the video. Okay, so before that, today's video is that yes, some days back I uploaded a video as you can remove your makeup with Vaseline petroleum jelly, and some people told me, and one of my cousin and many people told me that you can remove your makeup with oil also. I have heard that before also. Yes, I can remove my makeup with oil, but I haven't ever tried it. So we'll try today, and it's really like oil, come on. Okay, so I'll be using this parachute oil, which is little non-sticky. Like sticky wala if I'll use, then I may get pimples. My skin is already oily, so I have no clue. And next week is really very important as I have my convocation, and it's really, then also let's see. I'll try to remove that oil really very nice before sleep. Okay, without wasting time, let's go to the video. So I don't know how it goes, so I'll be using this cotton. Okay. Oops. Yes, it's coming out. I hope you guys can see. Mirror. I'll be doing this on my right side of the face. Yes, see, you can see कितना गंदा हो गया है. Okay. I got all the oil on my hands. As you know, oil spreads. Okay, let's go with tissue paper now. I'm done with this oil thing. See, it is coming. Oh. No guys, it's not working that. No. It's a big no. Okay. Yes, somewhat it is removed, but I won't say it is completely removed. No, this is the worst thing ever. Don't try. Okay, I'll end over here. Okay guys, so I have tried a lot, genuinely I have tried a lot with oil, but no, I am very disappointed with this. So please don't try. And people who have rumors that nahi oil se bhi nikalta hai makeup, no. If you have a waterproof makeup and a good amount of makeup, it won't be removed, or else it will take a lot of time. And as compared to Vaseline petroleum jelly, like last week I experimented Vaseline, and as compared to this, oil is really very bad. I loved Vaseline, fatak se it was removed. I applied the Vaseline and I just did the tissue paper like this, and a good amount of makeup was removed, and it was really fast than this thing. And I don't know, I don't know. Basically, I like less oil. So that's all. And if I am wrong, or maybe I am doing in a wrong way, then do let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you haven't watched that Vaseline petroleum jelly video of removing makeup, then link is given in the description box, or click on that I button. You'll get video over there. And that's all. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a video. And please guys, do like this video. If you knew something new on this channel or on my video, then please do give a big thumbs up. Okay, meet you in next video. I come every Monday and Friday. Bye bye.